Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're an Urdu speaker and want to learn English, this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you some sentences in English that you can use in your daily life. All the sentences are very simple and easy to understand. So let's start. First of all, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. How are you? This is the most common sentence you can use when you meet someone. You can say, well, hello there. How are you? And if you want to be a little bit formal, you can say, good morning. How are you? Or good evening. How are you? It's up to you. And when someone asks you, how are you? You can reply, I am fine. Thank you. And how are you? The next sentence is, what is your name? And my name is, for example, what is your name? My name is your name. The next sentence is, nice to meet you, when you meet someone for the first time. And if you want to be a little bit polite, you can say, it is nice to meet you. The next sentence is, where are you from? For example, where are you from? I am from Pakistan, or I am from India. The next sentence is, what do you do? For example, what do you do? I am a student, or I am a doctor, or I am a teacher. The next sentence is, can I help you? For example, if someone asks you, can I help you? You can reply, yes. I would like to buy this book, or yes, I would like to buy this shirt. The next sentence is, where is the restroom? For example, if you want to go to the restroom, you can ask someone, where is the restroom? And if you're in a mall or a shop, you can ask the security guard. Usually they know where it is. The next sentence is, could you please speak slowly? For example, if someone is speaking too fast and you don't understand them, you can politely say, could you please speak slowly? The next sentence is, I don't understand. If you don't understand what someone is saying, you can say, I am sorry, I don't understand. The next sentence is, thank you, you're welcome. When someone helps you or gives you something, you can say, thank you. And if you want to reply, you can say, you're welcome. So these were the sentences. I hope you liked these sentences. And if you want to become fluent in English faster, then do you and forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So you'll never miss out any English lesson. And also, if you have any suggestions, you can comment down below. Thank you.